Every audit season brings the same challenges: unreliable data, manual documentation, endless client follow-ups, and last-minute peer review prep. AssureAI is built to solve all of that in one platform designed specifically for CA firms. Start with clean data. Import directly from Tally, Zoho, or Excel. And AssureAI immediately validates your opening balances and flags negative cash anomalies. Generate professional financial statements in minutes for corporates and non-corporates. Aging analysis and key financial ratios are computed automatically with zero rounding or casting errors and full alignment with ICAI guidance. Export instantly to Excel, PDF, or Docs. Run built-in audit checks to identify ledger anomalies faster. And when it's time for tax audit, pre-structured 3CD annexures and ITR-ready Excel outputs, compatible with Genius and Computax, are ready to go. Standardize entire audit documentation with AssureAI, ready-to-use checklists, automatic materiality computation, FSLI, and a full misstatement record. Everything you need to conclude on the true and fairness of your client's books without missing a step. With Ask AI, perform advanced data analysis by interacting with multiple AI models and attaching relevant data directly from within the assignment. Built-in data masking automatically protects sensitive information, while intelligent context management overcomes the data size limitations of AI models, enabling you to analyze large datasets securely and effortlessly. Keep your team accountable with structured Maker-Checker Approver EQCR workflows, and when you're ready, generate complete workpapers with a single click, fully prepared for peer review without any last-minute effort. Finally, compile your entire audit into a single well-structured PDF binder, professionally formatted and review-ready with no manual assembly required. From the first data import to the final audit binder, AssureAI gives CA firms a faster, cleaner, and more confident way to work.